Dear viewers, welcome back my React playlist. In this episode, I will discuss how we can render list in React application. It is very general requirement to render list in web application. In React, we can use popular JavaScript map method to render list. Map is an array method. We can use this method to transform an array. More precisely, it creates a new array by calling a function for every array element. This is very simple example of how we can use map method in JavaScript. This numbers is an array and it has three elements. This numbers array uses map method. This map method takes an arrow function as a callback function, and this arrow function takes every elements of numbers array and change the value multiply by 2. As a result, this map method of numbers array create a new array of elements 2, 4, 6. Let's jump into our original discussion that how we can render list in React. For example, I am using same numbers array. To render these numbers, I'll use HTML UL. Inside the UL, numbers.map. This map method take an arrow function. This arrow function will take current element of numbers array and returns a JSX. And this JSX contains li with number. Here x is the element of the numbers array. Since this is the JavaScript code, it will go inside a parenthesis. Let's save and let's see in browser. Number of numbers array has been displayed. Basically, this map method of numbers array create a new array. That new array has exactly 3 elements, but values have been changed. As per the logic of this arrow function, values are JSX. So React renders those JSX in browser. We can change this code, like we can define a variable here. The variable could be new array. So here we can add this code in here and add a new array here. Let's see in browser. We also can render array of object. For example, here is the persons object. So we need to change the numbers to persons here. Inside the arrow function, we can use the first name. Now x is the object of persons, and here I can add empty and last name. Save and go back to browser. Here we can see. Instead of using this arrow function, we can use a callback function here. Let's define a callback function. Callback. This function will take a person object, or we can define a x here, and let's cut this code from here and paste inside the callback function. And let's remove this code and pass the callback. Save and let's go back to the browser. Here we can see the similar result. Now we have understanding that we can render list of items without any issue. Let's open the developer tools. Here we can see an warning of red color that each child in a list should have unique key props. In the next video, we'll discuss what does it means.